Hi guys, this is ILINCA. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I've achieved this look with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. Really love this palette. It's just such a great palette. Look at these colors. Very simple look, everyday look. You don't have to put a lot of effort into this. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back. So I went ahead and I primed my face using the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion Primer. Okay, and now we're gonna go put this foundation. I really love this foundation for dry skin. It's very hydrating. It's called the Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline. Hydrating foundation with hyaluronic acid and collagen. It's in the shade of 20 Classic Ivory. So I will be listing all of these descriptions in the bottom of my video. So I'll go ahead and apply this. Using my beauty blender. The Rimmel London Match Perfection 2-in-1 Skin Tone Adapting Concealer and Highlighter in the shade of Fair, number 125. So we are going to be applying this on the top, on the eyelids. Okay, now we'll be setting it with the MERCIER translucent powder, and we're gonna grab our, like this, TATI Beauty Blendiful. I'm gonna dab in here. Okay, now that we set the eyes, now we're ready to use the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. So it's going to be this one right here. Okay, we're just gonna do the transition color. Now we're gonna go into this one right here. I'm gonna put it above our crease. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here, and we're going to apply that in the crease. Now I'm gonna choose a different brush, this Morphe brush right here, and we're gonna go into this dark color right here and applying it in the outer corner. with this shade right here, here in the inner corner. Collab mascara in brown black. Applying it to the lashes. There you go. MILANI highlighter. This is the Stellar Lights 03 Rose Gold. Be using this shade right here. And I will be applying it right up here, here in the inner corners as well. Go a little bit like this. Okay, now we're gonna be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. My mirror just fell. The Wonder Beauty Trip for Two blush and bronzer duo in the shade Belini right here. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to the MILANI highlighter right here, using the Real Techniques 402 brush. Dip in here and highlight. A bit on the nose. Now we'll be going with the MILANI Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade 4. Line our lips. L'Oreal in the shade Create 416, or it's a type of lip gloss slash lipstick. So this is the shade. This is how it looks on the hand. Okay, let's put it on the lips. Okay, and that's it. Very simple, very simple everyday makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. It's great, it's small, it's easy to carry, you can do so many looks with it. This is just a very simple look and I think it turned out good. And I really love this foundation by Maybelline, one of my favorites. Comes with a pump. It's a glass bottle and it's just amazing. I had this for the full day and it has not gone away, it has not flaked off. I never used powder on my face and it stayed on for the full day. So I really love this. Yeah, so thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video. Please leave any comments down below, and I'm happy you stopped by, and I will see you next time in my next video. Thank you. Bye.